Hi, I'm Fame Ketover of Lengwin.com, and this is Mandarin Chinese. It's time for some more wibbly wobbly timey wimey stuff. Today, we're going to look at how to give a complete date, including the year. We'll also check out the 2 ways to say the days of the week, and expressions combining the words last, this, and next, with the words month, week, and year. Years are given just by naming their individual digits. In general, Chinese expresses the largest unit of time first, and progresses to the smallest. Listen to July 4th, 1976.
1976年7月4号 1976年7月4号
Repeat 1976.
1976年1976年
Repeat July 4th, 1976.
1976年7月4号1976年7月4号
Repeat February 22nd, 1732.
1732年2月22号 1732年2月22号
Repeat July 4th, 1776.
1776年7月4号1776年7月4号
Now repeat January 1st, 1863.
1863年1月1号 1863年1月1号
Try saying June 15th, 12:15 ahead of the speaker.
1215年6月15号
Try saying May 8th, 1945 ahead of the speaker.
1945年5月8号
Try saying April 7th, 1949 ahead of the speaker.
1939年4月7号
Now, here's how you say this year.
今年
Repeat the word for this year after the speaker.
今年今年
Here's the phrase for this year is 1976.
今年是1976年
Repeat, this year is 1976.
今年是1976年今年是1976年
The second word
是
is the verb to be. And of course, you recognize the last word in the sentence as the word for year. If you wanted to say last year, you would say,
去年
repeat the word for last year.
去年去年
What does this sentence mean?
去年是1975年
Last year was 1975. Repeat the sentence after the speaker.
去年是1975年去年是1975年
The word for next year is
明年
Repeat next year after the speaker.
明年，明年，
How would you say next year is 1977?
明年是1977年。
How do you say last year was 1975?
去年是1975年。
Now, let's look at the days of the week. Listen to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
星期一，星期二，星期三，
Repeat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
星期一，星期二，星期三， 星期一，星期二，星期三。
Notice that the days of the week are numbered, just as the months of the year were. Repeat Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
星期四，星期五，星期六。星期四，星期五，星期六。
Now listen to the name for Sunday.
星期天，
Repeat Sunday.
星期天，星期天。
The word for Sunday is not expressed with the number 7 at the end, as you might expect. Instead, the word
天
is added. Say the days of the week one at a time after the speaker, starting with the word for Monday.
星期一，星期二，星期三，星期四，星期五，星期六，星期天。
Another way to give the days of the week uses the word
礼拜
instead of
星期
listen.
礼拜一，礼拜二，礼拜三，礼拜四，礼拜五，礼拜六，礼拜天。
Now repeat them.
礼拜一，礼拜二，礼拜三，礼拜四，礼拜五，礼拜六，礼拜天。
If you want to know what day of the week today is, you ask,
今天礼拜几？
or
今天星期几？
repeat after the speaker. What day is today?
今天礼拜几？今天礼拜几？
Now repeat the other phrase.
今天星期几？
How do you say, what day of the week is it?
今天星期几？
The word for tomorrow is,
明天，
repeat tomorrow.
明天，明天。
The word for yesterday is,
昨天，
repeat the word for yesterday after the speaker.
昨天，昨天。
Now listen to the word for to work.
工作，
Repeat to work after the speaker.
工作，工作。
To say didn't work, you say,
没工作，
to say he didn't work, you say,
他没工作，他没工作。
repeat the expression he didn't work.
他没工作，他没工作。
Listen to he didn't work last year.
他去年没工作，他去年没工作。
say, "He didn't work last year," ahead of the speaker, and then repeat.
他去年没工作。他去年没工作。
How would you say, "He didn't work yesterday"?
他昨天没工作。
How would you say, "He didn't work Saturday"?
他星期六没工作。
Here's how you say, "He didn't work last week."
他上个星期没工作。
Repeat the phrase for last week.
上个星期。上个星期。
Now repeat the phrase for "He didn't work last week" after the speaker.
他上个星期没工作。他上个星期没工作。
Now listen to this sentence.
他今天不去。
It means he won't go today. Repeat the sentence after the speaker.
他今天不去。他今天不去。
Repeat, "He won't go tomorrow."
他明天不去。他明天不去。
Listen to this sentence.
他下个星期不去。
Repeat the phrase for next week.
下个星期。下个星期。
Repeat, "He isn't going next week."
他下个星期不去。他下个星期不去。
Repeat, "This week."
这个星期。这个星期。
Repeat, "He isn't going this week."
他这个星期不去。他这个星期不去。
Try saying it ahead of the speaker. "He isn't going this week."
他这个星期不去。
What's the phrase for next week?
下个星期。
How do you say, "He isn't going next week"?
他下个星期不去。
好，我们下课吧。Remember to head over to Languin.com to do the exercises. That's Languin, as in Languin the Penguin. Thanks for watching. I want to thank all of our supporters who have helped to make these courses possible. We want to keep making free courses for you, and with your help, we can do that. So be sure to head over to our Patreon page, where in exchange for as little as $1, you'll get bonus stuff. Until next time, stay cool.